Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to make account private on Instagram. Friends, for privacy reason or due to any other reason, if you want to private your Instagram account, then you need to open your Instagram app. Now here you need to press on the profile icon. Now you need to press on the three lines. Now here you need to scroll a little down and press on account privacy. Now here you will find option to private your Instagram account. Now after reading, press on switch to private. Now here you can review your followers. So friends, like this you can very easily make your account private on Instagram. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.